Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Twitch application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now since there is no official application for the PC version of Twitch, you will either need to use an Android emulator to use the Android version or the web browser version. Open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and hover over to apps or save and share. You will then find the install this site as an app option which you can click on, and you will have the option to edit the app icon as well as the application name. After making your desired changes, tap on the install button and now make sure to check create desktop shortcut and then click on allow. This will now create a desktop shortcut for the Twitch application or the web browser version, which you can double click to directly access the Twitch website. You can also use an Android emulator such as BlueStacks by going to bluestacks.com and then clicking on the download button. You can then install the file that is downloaded by simply scrolling through the next button. And once the BlueStacks emulator has been installed, you can simply open the Google Play Store and then download the Twitch application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Twitch application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.